Welcome back to our 43rd Python tutorial. Now in this video we're going to be covering bitwise operators, so I'll just spell this one out for you because you might be thinking I'm saying two words. But what we're going to do is we're going to cover this over the next two videos because there is a fair amount of content and a fair amount of writing now. So what we're going to do is we're going to take a look at a few expressions, and in the first one we're going to deal with the and, the or, and the exclusive or. So firstly what we'll do is we're going to write down 0, B, 1, 2, 3, 4. And if we copy this down, print it off, we get 15. So 1, 2, 4, 8 equals 15. Now, what we're going to do here is we're also going to add another value. So we want and. So we want to use and here, and 0, B, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now the answer here is going to be 1 because we've taken the bits on the left hand side and we've compared them to the bits on the right hand side, and as with the above and statement, only if both of them consist of the same bits will we get them in the answer. So again, we could do this with a bin binary, I just call it a bin, and dump it in, and there we go. We've stripped away these 3 bits on both sides because they no longer exist, and we've outputted the 1. So now, what if we were to use the OR value? Now, if I'm going to do this, I'll just do this quickly, and we'll just take a look at what happens. So 15, again, as an OR value, as long as one of the sides has it, they're both going to have it. So if I were to do this one again and say, put this as 0, okay, sorry, that's a bit stupid. I wound up still using a and sign. Having freaked out a bit then. So there we go, we've got 15 because as one of the sides had it. Now, we just run this little equation through down here, we change this to a 0, and we change this to an OR. There we go, we've still got the 4 bits. Now, the last one we're going to cover here is the exclusive OR. So what this is going to do is we'll create a whole new one here. So we're going to do firstly 0, B, 1, 2, 3, 4, exclusive OR, 0, B, 1, 0, 0, 1, and I'm going to copy this down just so you can see what happens next time. Sorry. Run that through, and there we go, we've got 7. So what you might be able to guess here is that we've missed out on this little 8th bit here, but this is going to be much easier to show you through a binary one. There we go. So essentially what's happened is that exclusive OR means that it has to be exclusive for either one of them. So here we've got 1 right next to the B, and here we've got 1 right next to the B, and that means that these two cancel each other out. So this bit here becomes a 0, and then this is unique to the expression, this is unique to the expression, and this one's unique to the expression. So it takes those 3 and puts them in the positions that they were currently as. So if I were to change this around and say put this little one here and run it in binary and put it out, as you would see, we would still have all 4 bits, and it's just that this second one here isn't exclusive anymore, so it removes that one. So anyway, that's the first half of the Bitwise operators. Join me next video for the second half, and I'll see you then, and well, good luck. Any issues, and just send me a comment. Goodbye. I'm kind of rambling on now, so I'm just going to stop.